Hey guys, how are we all doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. This is our Binance and MXC and 3 commas update for the day. So we will go over to those charts. So yeah, let's have a look at the balances. We'll do that first. So MXC is it's 0.4 something, I'm sure. 0.466. So that's obviously going well, guys, because remember this was only a 0.25 start, so we're not far off 2x MXC. So if we had just the MXC challenge and not the Binance challenge, we would have basically nearly done it in a month, and that wouldn't have been too bad, would it? Making a whole Bitcoin from one Bitcoin in 1 month wouldn't have been bad going. Obviously Binance is the laggard. Binance is basically down still from the beginning. Not as down as it has been, but it's just letting the side down, isn't it? We've just got a massive underperformer here, and it's just the Binance altcoins. Just yeah. Oh well. But anyway, so we're on 1.185. So that is obviously 18.5% gain from the beginning, all in all. So yeah, I'm pleased with that overall. 3 commas as well. Well, it's been working away, but it has taken profits on some of these positions too early, as you can see. Carver, in particular, has obviously ran another basically 30% 30% higher than where it did start selling. It hit both its safety orders. So yeah, we could have had more gains if we'd stayed in that. So yeah, that is probably a bit responsible. And yeah, a few of these have triggered off. Obviously we've been getting some gains, and it did protect us with some downside when we had a move before, but obviously now that the markets, these alts, are trending upwards, it's struggling to help us, in all fairness. But what it is doing, it is releasing USDT, which I may elect to send over to MXC. So it may not be the worst thing in the world. But yeah, overall, so really assets wise, I mean, this is all we've really got at the moment. We bought some more Sora today. We had a bit of a gamble on Ample thought for, seeing as it's come down so far. I've never touched this coin until today. And yeah, a lot of people talk about it. Had a big massive run up. It's had a big massive fall down, and yeah, we'll give it a gamble at this price. Not a very big position size. We've been building quite a big position in Sora. And obviously our DOT, PSX, KSM, and Anchor, which we've taken some profit on today. But yeah, these positions have been doing pretty well, so quite pleased with that. We did have a load of Edgeware, remember, yesterday, and we sold that on the big pump that Edgeware had today. Where is it? Yeah, sorry, Edgeware. I'm just literally sat hovering over it. Yeah, so this big pump today, we took some off, and that was a lot of the capital that I put. I topped up Sora, and I actually topped up KSM as well this morning. It was this morning, wasn't it? Yeah, it literally was this morning, about 10 or 11. I was looking at it thinking, that's a good price, that is, compared to the rallies we've been seeing, especially in DOT. I mean, KSM should outperform DOT, and this morning DOT was outperforming KSM. So yeah, I was like, well, I think that they're both buys, so we will get some more KSM. So yeah, and obviously Sora as well is, I would say it's underperforming, but it's come off the back of this big spike up anyway, so it's not necessarily working on the same parameters as some of the other coins. But yeah, this big move up, I believe this will be on the up and up. Take out $30 and be at $40 within well, before the end of this month, I think. May come sooner. I may be surprised with how much sooner, but yeah, by the end of this month, I think so. And they're quite a big position we've got in that. That'll keep us going. Keep us going profit wise. Obviously MXC doing the heavy lifting with its smaller weight. It is definitely packing a punch, these MXC altcoins. Again, that's because these guys are my favorite. These are more the Polkadot ecosystem coins, the coins associated with that, with DeFi. And Binance is just whatever scammy coins they want to put on, and they're not scammy coins, but whatever coins the scammy Binance people want to put on and just pump their own bags in. You know how Binance works. They want to control crypto. They just are what they are, aren't they? So Anyway, so yeah, and don't forget, these gains are with Bitcoin on a flyer, not far off 12k. So since we started the challenge, obviously Bitcoin has had a massive rally, and we have had an 18.5% rally as well. So in federal fiat fun trash tokens, we are considerably wealthier. So there you go. But anyway, so thanks for listening, guys. Remember, it's not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research, and I will speak to you guys soon.